Yes, my people, we know what time it is. It is the Sunday Fun Day Trade Market Update Day. You feel me? So that's what it is. Today is the 7th of September. Sunday, pumping this one out. Give you a bit of information on what things going to happen with the market, especially after NFP. Yeah, but this one we're just going to get straight into it. So let's go. Back. So as you can see, obviously GBP USD. We start off with GBP USD every week. So we're on the same, obviously on the same trend. At the minute, what I'm seeing right now is I'm obviously seeing a bullish movement from this section. As you can see, bullish, broken structure to the downside. So in my eyes, we're still in a bearish trend. Okay. Yes. If I can zoom in here, we did not break in my eyes. Okay, we have not broken this level yet. This level hasn't been broken. It's been tapped into again, but it's not been broken. So I'm still on a downtrend for GBP USD at the moment. Okay, until this level is broken here, I'll still be looking for sales. So I won't be touching this until it gives me a sell opportunity. As you can see, it did break structure to the downside again. And then NFP obviously gave it a big boost to the upside, so I'm expecting it to retrace this coming week and to start to make its way back down again. Okay, levels obviously we've got, which we'll be looking out for, is something around here. As you can see, this zone has been used multiple times, so if we can get like potentially a break underneath, then I'll be looking for shorts around this area here. But unless we get shorts, unless we get a break of this level, I won't be bothering to look for any shorts or anything like that. So price could continue to push up and then start make higher highs. The only thing I'm seeing on my end is a head and shoulders. Okay, bang, bang, come back up. Let's just retest it again. Boom, it could potentially make its way back up again. As you can see, left shoulder, right shoulder, and then you got the head just here. Okay, so price could potentially continue to go up for GBP USD, but I am still bearish until the high, which is this, is broken. So that's a quick one for GBP USD. We've got Euro USD, a lot of the same, still bearish. This is the point obviously that I've got marked out for myself, which you can see, price broke, come back up. I would more so expecting the price to react off of this bit here and then continue to go down, but it hasn't. It's broken it, fucked off from that zone, come back down to it, fucked off from the zone, come back down to it, done the same thing. So potentially price could continue to go up for Euro USD. If this does, it will have an exact correlation with GBP USD as well, which will probably make its way back up. So right now I'm just waiting to see what price wants to do. Obviously NFP push price up here, so if price does break this level, then I'm looking for shorts. GBP JPY, exactly the same. Well, it's not really the same because we're in an uptrend on GBP JPY. As you can see, price has gone up. This is the high, broke. Okay, so now this is the high. What do? We broke that high here, creating this the high, this the low. So we're in an uptrend. This is the zone I had marked out. Price did come back down to this zone, as you can see here. And look what we've done. We've gone up from the zone, so I'm going to wait for price to potentially break, come back down and retest this level, and then push its way back up again. Okay. So yeah, I mean, if this happens, probably GBP will look to go up against the USD as well, and then Euro USD will probably look to go up as well. So there's quite a few mixed message in where price could just continue to go up for all of these pairs. USD JPY in an uptrend. Clearly you can see the low, give my pen back, the low here, the high here. What's happened? Big push down. Price was rejected off of the low that was here multiple times, once, twice, 3, 4, and that's rejected off the midpoint just here. So price could potentially come down and continue to go up, or price could just say yeah and just melt. We'd have to see. Yeah, if price does drop on this, then obviously GBP JPY will look to go up. Well, actually, yeah, GBP JPY will look to go up, but GBP might get stronger towards JPY. Euro USD will go up, GBP USD will go up as well. So we're just waiting at the minute. That's what I'll be doing for the next week. We have AUD CAD, clearly in an uptrend on AUD CAD. I quite like this, to be fair. Gone up, broke, come back down, it's broken again. This is now the new low, so we'll change the chart, and then this is obviously the new high. I expect price to potentially come back down and retest this support zone here, and then price continue to push its way back up. So we're looking for buys on AUD CAD. Let me just change this on here because that's going to annoy me otherwise. I want that, yeah, as the midpoint, and we have that like that. Bang, as the high. Cool. Next, we have GBP CAD. GBP CAD for me is in a bullish trend again because we broke this zone here, so we're bullish. This is the high, this is the low. Price did come down, tested the midpoint, as you can see. We didn't place a trade off of this level, unfortunately. It would have been a good trade, but price tested it and pushed up. Okay, so we're still in an uptrend, essentially waiting for this level to get broken now. Push, break, same old. You know how it goes. Very simple strategy. We break down everything in the Telegram on how I enter, because I know this looks simple, but you have to get your entries right, otherwise the trade and the market will just fuck you. So if you get your entries right, it's a lot better. So download the playbook, join the Telegram, because you will be able to see the entries. Yeah, we have Euro AUD for this one in an uptrend, as you can see. Well, actually, hang on, we did a bit of analysis here together here. So this was the low, clearly this was Hink, this is the high, this is now the low. What's happened here? The low has been broken, so this is actually in a downtrend, but we are creating a head and shoulders pattern as well. So as you can see, if I push this down here and we come back up and retest, what's going to happen if it does come up to retest this level and we break down, boom, and continue to go down? Head and shoulders, left shoulder, right shoulder, head, down. Okay, so we already broke structure to the downside here, basically. So all I've got to do really is just flip that round. So I'm in a downtrend. This gives me an indication of where I think the market's going to go. Now look for entries based off of that. Don't piss me off. Yep. So GBP, New Zealand dollar, uptrend, break, come back down, retested, push back up, retest off this zone, go back up. That's what I'm looking for, essentially. I'll be looking for a trade off of this zone. We're already quite nicely within the daily candle here for a daily candle to push into this level here and then reject and continue to go up. So I'll be looking for buys. This might be on my main watch list. So if you're in the Telegram, I'll put my main watch list in on the day, so tomorrow. We have AUD JPY, clearly in an uptrend. I think price is obviously stalled around here, obviously rejected off of this level, as you can see. Come back down, potentially price to continue to go up, but I might be looking for a bit of a deeper retracement down, obviously towards the 50 EMA, for then price to continue to go up off of that. But bullish overall. We are bearish on New Zealand dollar USD. Apologies. Reason I'm bearish, as you can see, high, this was the low, we broke it, came back up, broke that. Okay, I'd put this really as the high. Price is obviously fucked around within this zone. This I wouldn't really class it as a high. I don't like the two candles and the big drops. It would be more like that, which makes more sense because you've got the EMA in the middle of this zone here for the continuation to continue going down. Okay, you also got this zone here where it's rejected off multiple times, but we are in a down trend. I'm in my opinion, for New Zealand dollar USD. And then we've got the favorite pair, which is gold. This was analysis I've had done for a while. As you can see, it's just consolidating within this area. We have now broken out of the area. Gold could very well have a little bit of consolidation, just continue to go up, or it could obviously make its way down a little bit, retest off of somewhere around this level, and then continue its way up. The likelihood of gold really having a bullish movement down is quite unlikely in my opinion, but it could do. So all I'm doing for gold is just waiting. If anything, probably this week I'll be looking for some sort of shorts, because this is all NFP news, giving it a big push to the upside. Sorry, no, this is NFP news here, but you can see obviously gold's had a big push to the upside. It's been what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 days of just complete bullish momentum. So I'm expecting a little bit of a sell-off now that we've hit gold all-time highs, for price to potentially start to push its way down a little bit and then make its way back up again, with the up-and-coming news. So that is my weekly breakdown of the market. As you can see, not a lot changes. Obviously 7 days, 7 movements of the market, and then you come back and it's refreshed and you can have a little bit more of an understanding of the chart. Sometimes we break highs, sometimes we break lows, sometimes we don't. It's fairly the same. But make sure you lot stay up to date. Leave a like, leave a comment if you like this type of style video as well. Maybe something you want implemented, ask a question, just leave any comments, leave something, I'll go in there and reply. Yeah, join the Telegram, get the playbook, like the TikToks, and I'll catch you lot in the next one. Peace.